In this video, I'll show you how to use the Subdivision Modifier in Blender. First, I'm adding a default cube. Now to quickly add a Subdivision Modifier, just press Ctrl+2 on your keyboard. You can see Blender automatically adds a Subdivision Surface Modifier with the viewport level set to 2. That means the mesh is being divided 2 times, making it smoother. Now I'll remove this modifier. If I press Ctrl+3, it increases the viewport level to 3. So basically, Ctrl+1, 2, 3 controls how smooth your object becomes in the viewport. Now I'll remove it again. This time, let's add it manually. Go to the Modifiers tab, click Add Modifier, and choose Subdivision Surface. Here you can control Viewport Levels, Render Levels. If I increase the levels, the object becomes smoother. And that's how you use the Subdivision Modifier in Blender.